Armani Code Eau de Parfum for men, a spicy, bold fragrance that commands attention. The ultimate fragrance for the modern man. Step into the world of sophistication and boldness with Armani Code Eau de Parfum for men. This Fougère ambery spicy fragrance isn't just a scent, it's an experience. A fresh burst of green mandarin opens the stage with a zesty splash that instantly invigorates. The heart of this fragrance unfolds with the warm, spicy embrace of nutmeg essence, perfectly complemented by the rich, comforting depth of Tonka bean absolute. Each spray transports you into a world where confidence and charisma meet, making it the perfect companion for any modern man who wants to leave an unforgettable impression. An iconic fragrance with a fresh twist. What makes Armani Code stand out? It's not just the unforgettable scent, it's the evolution of an icon. This new Eau de Parfum enters a new era with a refillable bottle, an elegant yet eco-conscious design that demonstrates Giorgio Armani's commitment to sustainability. The sleek, rounded square bottle is crafted to be a beautiful object, reimagining the original design with a modern, responsible touch. Embrace the future of luxury with a fragrance that doesn't just smell good, but also helps reduce environmental impact, a win for both you and the planet. Long-lasting impact and masculine elegance. Why settle for fleeting freshness when you can enjoy all-day intensity? Armani Code Eau de Parfum offers a fragrance that lasts, keeping you smelling fresh and confident from day to night. The spicy, ambery base notes of nutmeg and tonka bean give this fragrance a depth and richness that lingers long after the first spritz. Whether it's a busy workday or an evening out, Armani Code will ensure you're always surrounded by a sophisticated aura of warmth and spice. Its long-lasting formula saves you time and effort, offering premium quality without constant reapplication. A fragrance for the man who demands quality. When it comes to luxury colognes, few can match the quality and effectiveness of Armani Code Eau de Parfum. Crafted for the man who values timeless elegance and bold sophistication, this fragrance hits all the right notes. From the vibrant green mandarin to the spicy warmth of nutmeg and the deep, sensual base of tonka bean, every element is carefully designed to work in harmony. This isn't just a scent, it's a statement of quality, made to last and captivate. Whether you're dressing for a big presentation or a night on the town, this cologne delivers every time. Why it's worth every penny. You know quality when you feel it, and Armani Code Eau de Parfum is no exception. With its bold, spicy composition and eco-friendly design, it offers both luxury and responsibility in one bottle. If you're looking for a cologne that stands out, projects confidence, and makes a lasting impact, this is your go-to. The unique, refillable bottle ensures you're getting more value for money, while the fragrance itself speaks for itself, elegant, sensual, and unforgettable. Treat yourself to a fragrance that captures the essence of true masculinity. With Armani Code, you're not just wearing a scent, you're wearing sophistication, style, and responsibility.